Hello everyone, today we will be talking about Narzo 50a, but before we begin, let me just switch it on for you. There you go. So as you can see, it's of a very nice oxygen blue color. It provides you with a triple camera setup right over here. You can see the flash right over here. You can also see there's a fingerprint scanner right below the camera setup, which you can easily access using your index finger. Moving on the right hand side, you will find the power button, and right above the power button, you will find the volume rockers. On the left hand side, you will find the SIM card slot, and going down below, you will notice at the center there is a C-type charging port. On the left hand side, you will find a 3.5mm audio jack, and on the right hand side, you will find the speakers. Now, speaking of the display, the phone provides you with a 6.5 inches IPS LCD display, which has a screen to body ratio of 81.7%. The phone runs on a MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor with a clock speed of 2 GHz. It is also powered by Android 11 and it runs on a battery of 6000 mAh. The phone provides you with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage space. It also provides you with essentials such as Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0 and GPS. The phone provides you with a triple camera setup, which includes a 50MP main camera, 2MP macro and 2MP depth. It also provides you with a 8MP front camera. So that's all folks, this is all about Realme Narzo 50a. Thank you so much for watching our video.